Looks like he's slowing a bit.
That guy's doing something down there on the right stern.
Let's go narrow, see what's going on. He's slowed down to about 2 knots now.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's doing
You got
something.
coordinates?
North 1509, 8319er. 1509, 8319.
Yeah, I see that guy right there on the starboard side doing something there. He just got up.
Looks like the driver's on a sat phone. Yeah, I could see an antenna next to his head, so it's probably a satellite phone. Yeah, he's definitely talking on a phone. Yeah, he's definitely on a telephone, sat phone.
Yeah, it's total U-turn.
Yeah, he's turning south now.
No, he's going into the inlet.
Okay, the inlet. What's the coordinates?
Yep, straight in.
North 1506, west 8319. Yep, there's the inlet.
8319?
Yeah, and they got got a whole bunch of people on the beach waiting for him, at least 10 people. And there's another boat that just came out with about 6, 7 people on the boat meeting them. And there's a whole crowd of people meeting them on either side of the banks. North 1505, 8319er. He's got a whole reception committee. There's so many people, it's kind of hard to tell what they're doing. They're unloading stuff. What they're unloading, I have no idea.
Yeah, they just swarmed everything.
At least 2 boats met him. People are jumping in.
They're jumping in the water.
Who knows what they're doing? They're unloading fuel barrels.
Yeah, they're unloading the barrels.
All the fuel barrels have been unloaded.
They stripped this boat.
Possibly they're taking the engines off, but it's hard to say.
They're trying. That's what that little boat is back
Yep.
there aft, trying to get those engines.
Yeah, it looks like they're taking off the engines.
Mark it.
Can you mark it?
It's going to be at rain shower again.
1505, 8318. They're definitely beached. All the fuel barrels are off the ship, off the...
They got plywood that's going from the shore to the boat that they're walking on there.